Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and opening Token Studio. Sign in so your workspace saves. Once done, create or load a token project and import existing metadata because continuity avoids errors later. Make sure to connect a test wallet on Goerli or your local node and set sensible gas limits now. This prevents failed transactions. You'll also confirm token decimals, symbol, and initial supply before moving into contract and deployment steps. You now configure the token parameters and governance policies. This is the complex core. First, enter name, symbol, decimals, and initial supply, then preview math so supply and balances are correct. Next, toggle mint, burn, and pausable features and assign admin or multi-sig addresses for sensitive roles because permissioning reduces risk. Once configured, run the built-in simulation and unit tests to exercise transfer, mint, and pause flows. This will catch logic errors before deployment. You finish by deploying and verifying. Deploy to a testnet first and confirm the transaction receipt, then publish and verify the contract so explorers show source. Once deployed, export the ABI and metadata, update your front-end configuration, and execute integration tests against the deployed address. If something goes wrong, check gas limits, role assignments, and decimal mismatches, and then replay the transaction on a local fork to reproduce the failure. This single troubleshooting step solves most deployment problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.